You've paid thousands of dollars for your dream cruise vacation. You are finally on board. Beautiful ship, stunning ocean views, perfect weather, and then everything changes. The sky turns dark, the waves grow taller, the ship begins to rock, and suddenly, nobody is telling you what is happening. What do you do? Where do you go? Is the ship actually safe? Most passengers have no idea what to expect when a real storm hits a cruise ship, and that lack of knowledge makes everything 10 times more frightening. In this video, we are going to walk you through exactly what happens to passengers during a real ocean storm, step by step, so that if it ever happens to you, you will be completely prepared. Section 1. The first signs a storm is coming. Here is something most passengers do not realize. The captain almost always knows a storm is coming long before passengers feel anything. Modern cruise ships receive continuous weather updates from satellites, meteorological services, and Coast Guard stations. So while you are enjoying breakfast or relaxing by the pool, the bridge crew is already monitoring a developing storm system hours away. The first thing passengers usually notice is subtle. The ship changes direction slightly, or the speed increases or decreases unexpectedly. This is the captain making early adjustments to either avoid the storm entirely or to approach it at the safest possible angle. Then come the physical signs. The horizon darkens. Clouds build on one side of the ship. The wind picks up noticeably on the open decks, and the ocean surface changes. Smooth water becomes choppy. Small waves become larger ones, and the gentle rocking you felt before becomes something more noticeable. This is when most passengers start asking questions, and this is exactly when the crew begins taking action. Section 2. What the crew does immediately. The moment rough weather becomes unavoidable, the crew of a cruise ship moves into a carefully rehearsed routine. It starts on the open decks. Deck chairs, tables, and any loose furniture are secured or removed completely. Anything that could become a projectile in strong winds is tied down or brought inside. Pool areas are closed and roped off. Inside the ship, the galley team secure everything in the kitchens. Heavy pots, equipment, and food items are locked into place, because in rough seas, an unsecured pan becomes a dangerous flying object. In the restaurants and dining areas, staff remove fragile glassware and replace it with more secure alternatives. Table settings are adjusted to prevent items from sliding. Medical staff on board are placed on standby, because seasickness can affect hundreds of passengers simultaneously in severe conditions. And throughout all of this, the captain makes regular announcements to keep passengers informed. This is one of the most important parts of storm management on a cruise ship. Because informed passengers are calm passengers, and calm passengers are safe passengers. Section 3. What passengers must do during a storm. So what should you actually do as a passenger when a storm hits? The first and most important rule is simple. Listen to the crew. Every announcement from the bridge is there for your safety. If the captain asks passengers to return to their cabins, do it immediately without hesitation. If certain areas of the ship are closed, do not try to access them. Wet decks and high winds are extremely dangerous. One strong wave or gust of wind can knock a person off their feet instantly. Inside the ship, always use the handrails. This sounds obvious, but during rough seas, even walking down a corridor becomes challenging. The ship rolls unexpectedly. Floors that felt flat suddenly tilt without holding on to something. A fall is very easy. Move slowly and deliberately. Avoid carrying large items or trays of food when the ship is rocking heavily. If you feel seasick, the worst thing you can do is stay in a closed cabin below deck staring at your phone. The best thing to do is focus on the horizon from a window. Drink water consistently. Take any seasickness medication you have with you, and if needed, visit the ship's medical center early. Because in a real storm, the medical team gets very busy very quickly. Section 4. The scariest moments passengers experience. Now let us talk about the moments that genuinely frighten passengers. Because even on a perfectly safe ship, some experiences during a storm feel terrifying. The first is the sound. In rough seas, a cruise ship makes noises most passengers have never heard before. Creaking metal, groaning hull structures, the deep rumble of waves hitting the side of the ship. These sounds are completely normal. They are the ship flexing and responding to the forces pushing against it. Modern ships are designed to flex slightly rather than resist rigidly. But to a passenger lying in their cabin at night, it sounds alarming. The second frightening experience is the movement. When a large wave hits the ship from the side, the vessel can roll significantly. Passengers have reported seeing the horizon tilt at dramatic angles from their cabin windows. Objects slide across tables. Luggage moves inside closets, and in severe cases, unsecured items fall from shelves. The third frightening experience is the uncertainty. Not knowing how long the storm will last. Not knowing if conditions will get worse before they get better. Not knowing what is happening outside when you are locked inside your cabin. This is why communication from the captain is so important. Regular updates over the ship's announcement system keep passengers from imagining the worst. And here is the most important thing to remember in all of these moments. The ship is not in danger. Modern cruise ships are engineered to handle conditions far more extreme than what most passengers ever experience. The noises are normal. The movement is expected. And the crew has handled this before. Section 5. How the ship keeps everyone safe behind every storm experience on a cruise ship. There is an invisible system working to keep every single passenger safe. The stabilizers we talked about in our previous video are running continuously, reducing the roll of the ship automatically, making the experience far more manageable than it would otherwise be. The bridge team monitors every aspect of the ship's movement in real time. Speed, heading, wind angle, wave height. Every variable is tracked and adjusted constantly. And the crew throughout the ship is trained specifically for these situations. Regular storm drills happen behind the scenes that passengers never see. Every crew member knows exactly what to do, where to go, who to report to, how to help passengers in distress. So while a storm at sea feels frightening from the inside of a passenger cabin, the reality is that the entire ship is operating exactly as designed. Every system, every crew member, every piece of technology, all working together with one single goal: to bring every passenger safely through the storm and back into calm water on the other side. So now you know exactly what to expect. If a storm hits during your cruise, the crew will secure the ship before you even feel the first wave. The captain will keep you informed every step of the way. And the technology built into the ship will be working harder than ever to keep things stable. Your job as a passenger is simple. Listen to the crew, use the handrails, stay inside when asked, and trust the ship, because that ship was built for exactly this moment. If this video helped you feel more prepared for your next cruise, make sure to like and subscribe. We have more cruise secrets and real stories coming every single week. See you in the next one.